Hey, let's do a door latch repair and replacement on this '06 Hyundai Tucson. Couldn't find any other videos on the internet to help me, so I'm making one for you. As usual, if you consider this content useful, superlative, please consider a like, subscribe. Really appreciate it. Door latch broke off on the outside of this thing. It was just a nub. This was not here. I've already replaced it. Gotta make a video until I know how to do it, because I'm useless. We gotta take off the inner door here. Not too hard, just like anyone. You got 3 screws on the outside here. There's one in the middle there, and then one up here at the top. I took this one out of the door latch, but you don't need it. There's a little trim piece that pops off. There's a couple of clips on the bottom. You just pull, yank them out. See, they all pop out. And then pull up, and it'll come off. So how do you get this thing on and off? It's a little tricky. There's 2 10mm bolts in here. One holds the handle latch assembly on, and the other one is in there. You can get your hand in there. I use, for all of this, a 10mm on a micro. That's how you get it in there. You put her in the door, feel it with both your hands in there. I like having the ratchet down. That's a good way to get your hands on it, to loosen it off. Mine, there was just a jagged chunk left here of this piece. There was just a screw, so that popped right off. The front piece, you have to take this big plastic yellow piece, get that one undone and the other one, and then you can pull this out. This goes in. There's a striker on there. This is a doorman replacement. When you put this latch piece in here, there's a metal piece in there. You have to pull it down. It's spring loaded, and then this latches onto it. How do you see it in there? That's so hard to see. But there's a big brass thing in there. That's so terrible. There it is. So that brass thing, you can see how the lower part there is locked into the black plastic on the handle. So when your thing is broken, you have to pull this back down all the way, then put the black plastic from the handle piece in, and it locks into place. That's your spring load. Get your ratchet in there, undo it, and then once you've clipped in your other piece, put your ratchet in there very painfully and awkwardly, and tighten it, tighten it, tighten it, and then it comes back on. You can tighten up. It's a bit of a pain, but it's fully doable. There's actually quite a bit of room in this Hyundai door. The piece was not too expensive, and now we're back in business. If you have any questions, give me an ask. Maybe I can help a doodle out ya. Not too bad. There's room in here. You can do this. I actually took off this lock assembly, but there's to get like a straight shot. But this ratchet does fit in like that, and then tightened up. It makes sense once you get in there, but this is totally doable. It's not rocket science. Anyways, ask me questions if you got any questions. Otherwise, get out there and get her done. See you in the next one.